I'm gonna compare the new Google Omni Flash video model to Seedance 2.0, which is considered the best video model on the market. So the first comparison I'm gonna give you, I used two images as elements, one of Scorpion, one of Sub-Zero. First I'm gonna show you how the Gemini Omni video looks like with this prompt.
What am I supposed to do with this chicken? I've had enough protein for today. Freeze it? No. I'll cook it for myself with hellfire.
And now, as you can see here, the first video, well done.
What am I supposed to do with this chicken? I've had enough protein for today. No. I'll cook it for myself with hellfire.
Second video, the character's mask is removed from his mouth basically. It looks like a helmet. Here are the Seedance 2.0 inputs.
What am I supposed to do with this chicken? I've had enough protein for today. Freeze it? No. I'll cook it for myself with hellfire.
What am I supposed to do with this chicken? I've had enough protein for today. Freeze it? No. I'll cook it for myself with hellfire.
I prefer the Seedance videos here. Let's try something else. Some of those like viral animal encounter videos. Let's see how this new model compares to Seedance, because this basically tests the model of how it does with complex physics, multiple characters in one shot.
Everyone stay perfectly still.
Oh my god, he's right there!
As you can see, there are a lot of mistakes in this one.
Everybody stay calm. Do not move.
Oh my god.
And in this one, I would say it did better, but the way those two cars look one in front of another isn't right. Here are some of the Seedance results I was able to get.
Everyone just stay calm. Just stay calm. Everyone stay calm. Just stay calm.
As you can see, both are usable. I generate videos with Seedance on Runway, but as you can see, it says Seedance 2.0 on top of the video generated. And finally, I'm gonna compare how the new Google Omni model does against Seedance for AI UGC ads.
My skin gets dry fast, and this honestly helped a lot. This is Orem face cream. I really recommend it.
As you can see here, 10-second UGC ad.
My skin gets dry fast, and this has honestly helped a lot. This is Orem face cream, and I really recommend it.
I would say Seedance looks a bit more realistic. Both are usable. Final thoughts. I would say Seedance 2.0 looks more impressive to me. This Google Omni Flash model is basically their fast model with Gemini Flash. Let's see what the final version of this model would look like. We would wait probably a few months before VO4 or the next version of whatever video model Google is going to release next. If you like videos like that, subscribe to my channel.